Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how to open a trading account with the broker FXView. FXView are a new and fast growing company that really offer a lot for different traders around the globe. One of the best features that I found with FXView are their low commission fees, and that's one of the reasons amongst many that I am choosing them to open a trading account with today. If you want to find out some more information about FXView, I have created a separate video which I'll include a link to above and in the description below. So if you want a step-by-step guide on how to open a trading account with FXView, keep watching and let's jump onto the computer. Okay guys, so I'm on the homepage of FXView, fxview.com, and I have included a link below in the description if you want to go onto the website and follow along with me and set up a trading account for yourself. Now the great thing about FXView is that they offer two different trading accounts. So you can have the funded trading account if you want to get trading with real money straight away, or you can create a demo account which allows you to practice trading in a risk-free environment with paper or fake money. And that's what I did when I first started trading as a beginner, because it's a really good practice to manage your risk, to allow you the space to develop the skills that you need for trading without using real money. Before we get started creating an account with FXView, it's important that you are on the right place on their website, and this depends on which country you are a resident of. So if you caught my previous video where I shared the top 3 forex brokers, you'll know that FXView don't actually offer accounts to residents of certain countries in the world, which also includes residents of the United States. Now from their homepage, in the top left hand corner you'll see we've got FXView Global and FXView Europe. Now the majority of you watching this, if you're in Europe, then you're going to have to be in the FXView Europe section. Myself, being from the United Kingdom, it's a little bit different because since we've left the EU, FXView actually need you to sign up via the FXView Global if you are a resident of the UK. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on FXView Global and I'm just going to confirm that, and that's basically to do with their regulations. The fact that they're regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commissions means that they can't accept residents of the United Kingdom via their FXView Europe section. So it's just important to make sure you're on the right part of the website. And once you know that you are in the right section, then you can click on Register Now. And registration is really simple. It starts off with just some easy details like your email and your password, and I'm going to process that now. Once you've registered with your email address, this takes you into their dashboard where you have to set up your account with some basic personal details. And as part of their registration process, it gives you some options to open your demo trading account, which, as I said before, is the free trading account which allows you to trade with fake money. So for this account, I'm going to choose MetaTrader 4, I'm going to choose my currency, Great British Pounds, and for leverage, it's not as important, so I'm just going to leave it as the preset, which is 500 times leverage. And it's that easy to create a demo account. So once you have that set up, it gives you the option here to download MetaTrader 4. So I can click onto Windows to get that downloaded now. And let's get that set up together. So I've just downloaded the FXView MetaTrader 4 application and I've opened it, and this is what I can see. So let's make sure we log into the right section. So for now I want to log into FXView Demo, so make sure we're on the demo server. And this is an existing trade account because that's what we've just created with FXView. So I'm going to go back to that now and just copy across my trading ID and my password. And once you've logged in, you will get an email with your new account registration email just welcoming you to the platform. And if you go to trade, you should be able to see your balance here in the demo account. So they give you a £10,000 account to play with in their demo account. And I'm just going to close these 4 chart windows here. I'm going to start from scratch and just get this very briefly set up to my kind of basic requirements for my platform. So let's open a new chart. I'm going to open a chart for Euro USD. And because I use MetaTrader 4 on some different brokers I currently have, I'm going to load up my saved template from that different account. So to do that, I'm going to go into templates and click load template. And just going back a couple here, you can see all these different long numbers, and they're all the different accounts I have with different brokers. So if I go into a different account here and click on templates, and then I'm going to click on main white, and this is a basic account that I like to have. So I'm going to save that into this folder now, and I'm going to call it the same name, main white. And that just means that when I open a different pair, I can right click on template and choose main white, and that will just load up the chart that I like to use, which is nice, clean and clear price action. And I think it's quite interesting to see the spreads here as well. It gives you a really good indication of the broker. Even though this is the demo account, Euro USD's got really nice tight spreads there. Australian dollar USD's also got nice tight spreads. Let's have a look at another chart. I'm going to have a look at USD Swiss. Sometimes when you start a new account, it might not load all the pairs up. If you right click over here and click show all, and that should solve that issue. And again, USD Swiss has got nice tight spreads. Some final things to do just to get this account ready to trade is to click on auto trading. It's currently set with a red cross there, meaning it's not enabled. So I'm going to click to make that green to enable auto trading. And pretty much good to go with demo account. So let's just test to make sure I can actually place a trade. So this is using no strategy at all, and I haven't calculated my position size because this is the demo account and I'm just playing around here. So I'm going to buy some Euro USD, and this will come up once. You have to click to accept the one-click trading terms and conditions. So let's do that again. Buying USD Swiss. So I brought one lot size. As you can see, their commission rate here, minus £1.50. So that will be each way. I imagine when I sell that, it will be just over £3 cost to actually place the trade. So just closing that out now just to test that. Let's go into account history, and we brought it at 37.4, sold it at 38.7, so I'm only just over a pip profit, but I just want to see, more importantly, the commissions that have come out. So if it doesn't display here, you can right click and make sure you've got commissions ticked. That will load it up the column there. And as you can see, it's actually just charged me £1.51 for the commission rate for both buying and selling that trade. So you have it, guys. There is a brief walkthrough for you on how to set up your free demo account with FXView so you can get trading in a risk-free environment with fake money before you're ready to move into a live trading environment. Now, I could do all that just from signing up with my email and with my basic details such as my name and my number. To actually complete the process, if you want to sign up with a real account so you can deposit some funds and get trading with real money, that just takes a little bit more work to just verify your account. So I've clicked onto dashboard here, and you can see from here that we're only 20% completed in terms of setting up our profile with FXView. And to finish completing your profile, there's some more information you have to submit. You have to do a declaration and upload some documents. So these are just identification documents, usually a passport or a driver's license, something to prove that you are who you say you are. So I'm going to complete that registration process now. Once you've entered in your details and submitted your identification documents, you'll just get this generic message that just says that they have to review the documents and that they'll get back in touch with you, which can take as quick as an hour or up to 24 hours. And once I return to my dashboard here, you can see that we've gone to 80% verified now because we're just waiting for them to get back to us. And you can click on see status just to access the message there if you've got any further queries. So just a quick overview here of the dashboard just before I wrap up this video. And as you can see on the left hand side, this is the main navigation. We've got a wallet here, so you can add your own funds into your wallet. You can deposit your funds. Once you earn your money from trading, you can withdraw or transfer if you want to add multiple accounts with FXView. On the manage account tab, you can access your account details. As you can see, I haven't got an account just yet because I'm waiting to be verified before I create my live account. But there's also some other options here. So if you click on change leverage, you can select your ID. So this is the demo we just created. If you wanted to change your leverage, you can also change your passwords if you want to do that. FXView also have some really useful tools on their platform. So if you go to the tools tab, you can see here there's a few options. So we can look at their economic calendar if you want to see some news for the economy here. They also offer a free VPS service, which could be really useful if that's something you're interested in, as well as different calculators to help you to calculate maybe the value of your pips per trade. Another really useful resource from their dashboard is their education and resources section. If you click on there, on the top navigation, you can click on video tutorials, and they actually have a lot of information here if you are new to trading and if you want some more information to help you to grow as a trader. So you could click on beginner's guide and it'll give you some really basic information here, even just about terminology. Or you can click on technical analysis, and there are these really useful videos here to do with how to analyze the charts and the candlesticks. If you're a little bit unsure on your platform, there's also an MT4 and MT5 tutorials tab, so it just gives you some information here on how to set different orders. And finally, the download platform option here. If you change your mind and you want to download a different platform, you can do that from this tab. And they also have a support tab as well, where you can access different methods if you need some support or some help with your account. So I hope this video has been useful for you to help you to get set up today and start trading with FXView. If you've enjoyed it, please drop me a like below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll aim to create another video with you soon where I'm going to actually put some money into my live account once I have that verified. So make sure you have your notifications turned on to get access to that video. Thank you for watching. Bye.